Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to dive into some amazing tools that can make your life as a developer or a regular computer user so much easier. Today, we're focusing on FD, a sleek and powerful alternative to the traditional command line tool, Find. Now let's set the stage. Imagine you're in a massive filing cabinet filled with countless files and folders. You need to find that one crucial document, but of course, it's buried deep within all that chaos. You could sift through the mess with a methodical search, or you could use FD, which is designed to help you find exactly what you're looking for quickly and efficiently, kind of like using a supercharged file organizer. What is FD really? Well, it's a program that lets you find entries in your file system. Simple yet powerful. Unlike the traditional find command, which can feel a bit clunky, FD is user-friendly and fast. Why? It uses parallelized directory traversal and has a more intuitive syntax. So instead of typing find in enemy patterns here, you'd simply type FD pattern. Quick check. If you're like me and love color coding, good news. FD uses colors to highlight different file types, just like LS. Let's break down some features because these are really what make FD stand out. First off, case sensitivity. By default, FD does a smart case-insensitive search. You can easily switch to case-sensitive if you enter an uppercase character in your search. It's like having a smart assistant who knows you prefer things a certain way. Another cool feature is how it ignores hidden files and directories, as well as patterns specified in .gignore files right out of the box. This helps keep your results neat. But don't worry, if you need to access those hidden files, there's an option to include them by simply adding H. Now, let's talk speed. Benchmarks show that for some tasks, FD can be up to 23 times faster than Find. Imagine you're searching your home folder for image files. What would typically take a good portion of your day can be shaved down to just seconds with FD. But here's a thoughtful question for you. How often do you find yourself searching for files in chaotic folders? Wouldn't it be great if you could streamline your organization processes? How about usage? Using FD is straightforward. Just run FD by itself to get a list of all files in a directory. Want to search for a specific file? Just type FD your pattern and it will return the items that match your query. There are also command options that allow you to specify file extensions, utilize full paths, or even execute commands on the results. Think of FD as your smart search engine for files, extremely efficient and highly customizable. Let's dive into examples. For instance, if you want to find all your Markdown files, you can just execute fdemd within the directory. Say you have a project and need to find every single .res file. That's as simple as fd-ers-mod. Just like that, you're set. All right, let's wrap up this discussion with some parting thoughts. If you're handling lots of files and struggling with traditional methods, FD might just be the tool for you. It's all about saving time and simplifying your workflow, which I think we can all appreciate, right? As we close today's episode, I encourage you to try FD out yourself. Dive into your folders and see the difference. And who knows, you might never want to go back to Find. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk. Keep exploring the tech world, and as always, stay curious.